Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments, and we're at the Hanover Buffalo Bayou. The Hanover Buffalo Bayou, this is their floor plan. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We're gonna go peek actually into the bedroom. So before we leave, I love that it had this built-in desk that's right there in the hallway. That's really pretty. But now, hey, let's go ahead and walk into, this is the guest room. So the guest room is here. So bedroom number 2, that is a king-size bed. And it looks really, really nice. King size bed is there, and then just got some good space here for a dresser. That looks gorgeous. And then, hey, we walk into the bath. The bath is really delightful. Love this walk-in shower. It's just amazing. Love this sink, a beautiful look and feel, and then a lovely closet too. Lovely closet space. Closet space, great. Looks amazing. So that's bedroom number 1, but let's go to the master. The master's over here, and it's really, really pretty. Love seeing this. Walk in, okay, it's super, super deal. Man, look at the beautiful light that you have here. Look at the light. Look at the just the bed. It's a king size bed. You got plenty of room in here. It looks great. And just those windows, just almost floor to ceiling windows, just really sumptuous. You do have views of the patio too. And then you go in here and you've got a beautiful bathroom, dual sink, really crisp, really clean. You do have also the shower and tub combination. I love it that they do that. And then here's the closet. The closet's delightful. It's got a really big closet. That's a lot of space. So this is a beautiful bedroom and bath at the Hanover Inn floor plan. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.